Amazing jeera or cumin rice. So now I'm going to heat a pan. Take a large pan, something similar to a wok. Now here I parboiled some basmati rice, about 1.5 cup. I'll leave the instructions below, or I'll leave the link to how to cook this rice. Now once the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Now, for this recipe, I prefer using ghee over oil. Now, once the ghee is nice and hot, we're going to add about 3 teaspoons of cumin or jeera, and then let it splutter, and then we're going to add the rice. Now this has to have basmati rice. The grains have to be separated. You can't have mushy rice, otherwise it will not taste that good. So get in all that rice, and then we're going to keep the flame on high, and we're going to mix the rice with the ghee and the cumin really, really well. So this is very similar to a fried rice. So whenever you're making fried rice, the heat has to be on high. You have to work really fast, because then you get that perfect consistency of the rice. Like, every rice dish has a different consistency. Like for pulao, it's different. For fried rice, it's different. So for fried rice, the trick is that you put it on a high flame and you mix well. So now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of pepper powder, that is black pepper powder, and I'm going to add some salt to taste. So it has very few ingredients. And now we just have to mix everything again on a high flame really well and really fast. So mix everything really nicely together. I'll also leave a link to my dal fry recipe, because this goes amazingly well with dal fry. And if anything gets stuck to the pan, just scrape it off. In fact, those are the best pieces because they're nice and crispy. And then all we have to do is just garnish it with some coriander. And your jeera rice is all ready. So enjoy these 2 recipes, try them out, and let me know in the comment section how you liked it.